Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the magic expand in Canva to generate and extend your scenery photos. So in here, what you need to do is open the Magic Studio on Canva apps and scroll down until you find the magic expand. This one, click on that and click on try magic expand, and here you just need to add your photo into the okay, so here you can select a size from the toolbar below. Okay, I'm going to this one, click on done, and then after that tap the magic expand. Okay, so here I've already add a photo. So after you add the photo, you can just go to effects and click on this magic expand. So here you need to select the size first. I'm going to go with this 9 by 16, then click on the magic expand at the bottom. Just wait for the results to come out. So it might take a while, you can just wait. So the result it's not really significant, so I'm going to replace the photo first. Let's try to use other photos, for example maybe this photos right here. So go to effect, magic expand, don't forget to select the size. Okay, so the results are shown at the bottom. So you can just select one of this photo, or you can also generate the new results. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.